Hey, welcome back. Let's do some more Partimenti. Topic of today, of course, is rule of the octave. So we're going to be doing things from rules of the octave, starting off with our first one here. Was it 4.1a? I don't even remember. I can't see the number right now. But we've got an ascending rule of the octave of the pentachord. And so I've put in here, we'd like to do nice, stable 5/3 chords on Do, stable 5/3 chord on Sol, and 6/3s in between. Oh, we've got double cadence. I can already kind of get a feel from where they're starting that I'm going to have cantizans in the top voice, and my tenorizans is going to be in the bottom voice, because the rule of the octave, nicely done, often leaves us more or less where we started, close to where we started. So even though we're decorating, instead of going sol, 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 do, we're going so, do, so, so, do. We can decorate the double cadence like that. Why don't you pause the video and just go into this measure here. Split these up here. Get our upper and lower voices. And we decided that our top voice is probably going to start on T. And our bottom voice then will start on Fa. And go ahead and just write the double cadence to the end. And then hit the pause on the video while you're doing that. And then come check yourself. All right, let's start with our cantizans. Ti, do, do, ti, do. Lovely. And then our Fa, Mi, Re. And then since it's an inner tenorizans, let's do Mi, just like that. All right. Love it. Let's do rule of the octave. Now you see 5/3, 6/3, 6/3, 6/3, 5. Parallel thirds. C to E, there's a third. So I'll bet we can keep doing the thirds. Mi, fa, sol. It skipped a measure on me. Mi, fa, sol. I would normally point at this point, continue up the third. Mi, fa, sol, la. And then come back down to the, you can hear the La wants to come down to Sol. Except notice on my double cadence, I want to start with the Fa. I probably want to prepare that here. And I can double the bass octave. So I'm just going to go Mi, Fa, Sol, Fa. And then tie it to make a suspension. Mi, Re, Mi. Normally in the rule of the octave, this voice would be going Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Sol. Put my mouse in the right place. Mi, fa, sol, la, sol. But since I have the double cadence, I'm just changing it a little bit. All right. My top voice then can do the parallel 6 line. So up a 6 from D. Oh. Do, ti, do, re. And then you see the re is going to T. I have at the end of the pentachord, and for that matter at the end of the ascending tetrachord in the rule of the octave, when a 6/3 steps up to a 5/3, we call it a discant cadence. In this case, a discant half cadence, because it's going to end on the Sol instead of on the Do. And when we go up by step with a 6/3 going to a 5/3, that 6 skips down a third. So over the top of Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, the standard top line is Do, Ti, Do, Re, Ti. And the other standard line is Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Sol. Modified here to get into the double cadence. Let's take a listen to the whole thing here. Tasty, tasty, tasty double cadence. Yeah, so just remember those voices. Over the top of Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol in the bass, one voice goes Do, Ti, Do, Re, Ti. The other voice goes Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Sol.